welcome back to my channel. This is Music Center channel, the Russian language learning channel, where Russian is learned fast and easy. So today I'm coming your way with a travel vlog. So here we go with our first ever travel vlog. I'm in Aqua Safari at the moment, and I'm going to show you the place, give you details, and all those good stuff. And we're going to be learning as well. We'll be learning some Russian words alongside. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. So I got to Aqua Safari very late. It was already dark, so there's really not much you can see. So let me just show you my room. This is the room I was in. I think it's called the Superior Standard room. I'll give more details about it later, but this is it. Pretty decent and nice room. Yeah, not much. The basics. You get your mirror, your bed, your table, your TV set. Yeah, the basics. And yeah, there's a balcony. It's not a balcony you can stand on or sit at. Bad view? Yeah, a balcony. And that's the view. Obviously it was dark, so you don't see much, but that's the view. Okay, so you get some complimentary stuff. I made good use of those. They were stocked every morning, so that's good. And then you have a mini fridge, which worked very well, I must say. Now the bathroom, very spacious, I must say. Very, very spacious, and it was fully stocked with essentials. Yep. So that's the bathroom. You have your towels, and these are some of the essentials: shower gels, shampoos, conditioners, or the necessary items. I really loved those products. I think I brought a few home because they were that good. Then you have the hand soaps, the vanity kits, the shower caps. Yeah, fully stocked, as I earlier said. They even had shea butter cream, which is very good. Very, very good. Had a nice smell and all. Now that it's dark and there's not much to see, let's learn some few Russian words instead. We begin with resorts. In Russian, kurots. Kurots. I am at a resort. Я на курорте. Я на курорте. Then room. Комната. Комната. That is my room. Это моя комната. Это моя комната. Then we have bathroom. Ванная. Ванная. Bed. Кровать. Кровать. Shower. Douche. Douche. Soap. Мыло. Мыло. It's night now. Сейчас ночь. Сейчас ночь. Let's move on. Hi guys. Good morning. This is my first day at Aqua Safari. I'm going to be exploring, and I'm going to let you see all of that. So stay tuned. I'm at the gate. This is the gate. Eta Varota. This is the gate. And then this is the entrance. We have a lot of beautiful flowers and trees. Tiviti flowers. These stands hold information for day visitors. These are guests who want to just relax at the resort, use the amenities, and then just go back home that same day, so it doesn't require a room. So these are the prices for using their facilities at the resort. Now this is the front elevation. This building houses the superior standard rooms and the reception. Now this is the entrance of the reception. At Aqua Safari, you find a lot of different kinds of fishes all over the place, at the reception, at the entrance, you know, at different spots. Yeah, you find various animals. Actually, we'll be seeing a few of them. So fish in Russian, we have ryba. That's one fish. Fishes, ryby. Fishes. This is the entrance to the reception area. Very beautifully done, I must say. Это красиво. It is beautiful. I had breakfast, завтрак, by the pool, u бассейна. By the pool, u бассейна. Very lovely breakfast. I had chai, tea, yaitso, egg, хлеб, bread, and ponchik, donuts. So I was going for a walk, minding my business, you know, and then I saw this, a donkey. I was excited. So a donkey is asil in Russian, asil, donkey. I was so excited. It was just by the second pool. There are two pools, so this is the smaller pool. And then I saw a peacock or hen. So let's just say peafowl, which is pavlin in Russian. And then saw a variety of ducks. So duck, yutka. They had different kinds of ducks. They had their names written on tiny boards, stuff like that. Very cute. Yeah, and then there was a tortoise who was hiding. I don't know if you can see it. So tortoise, chiripaha. Horse, loshad. And back to the fishes, a lot of variety. Different kinds of fishes. They even have an aquarium in Russian. Aquarium.
It looks pretty good. What's up?
Yeah. There you have it. So before I show you any more of the place, let's get back to the room, or the different types of rooms they have. So they have the standard room. They also have the superior standard, which you've already seen. They have the deluxe room, then the waterfront room, and then the 2-bedroom chalets. I tried to get the prices per night for you guys. However, the prices fluctuate depending on the time of the year or month. So I used a specific day, January 1st, to try the booking, and for standard, I think it began at 2,000 Ghana cedis, and the deluxe was around 3,639. The waterfront room was around 5,199, and for the 2-bedroom chalet, it began at about 7,000 Ghana cedis. So there you have it. They also have packages, so they have the honeymoon package and they have the family package and other packages as well, so you might want to try those. What are some activities you could do for fun at Aqua Safari? 1, you could go horse riding. 2, Aqua Safari is located along Ghana's famous River Volta, so there are endless possibilities when it comes to having fun on the lake. You could take a walk in the sand, pisok, sand. So I walked in the sand, yashla papisku. Well, you could go jet ski riding or boat riding. That is, or those are also options for you to have fun at Aqua Safari. Lake in Russian is ozera. So you could go for a walk na ozera or na birigu ozera. Birek means shore. So ya guliala na birigu ozera just means I took a walk by the lake. You could also go swimming. Yes, there's a huge pool. In fact, there are 2 pools, one big one and a smaller one at Aqua Safari. So you could go swimming like I'm doing now. You can have a lot of fun in the pool. You can stand under the fountains like you're seeing, or go down the slide. Yeah, that's me going down the slide in my glasses. Very funny. And that is the view of the pool at night. So yeah, that's it. Aqua Safari is a fun and relaxing place to be, so I would urge you guys, if you're thinking of coming to Ghana or you're in Ghana and you're thinking of a place to go and relax, have fun, just bask in nature, then you know where to go. Before we end today's video, let's learn 2 very important words: spasiba and pajalusta. Spasiba simply means thank you, and pajalusta can mean you're welcome. So when I say spasiba, you can say pajalusta. This is actually for Loretta, a very studious student. So your assignment, how would you say I am in the shower in Russian? You can leave your answers in the comment section. I'll be grading you guys, so please do let me know. To the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, welcome and thank you for subscribing. If you have any questions about Aqua Safari, you can put them in the comment section. I'll be so glad to answer them for you. How many Russian words have you learned today? Well, let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in my next video. Я вас люблю. Пока, and remember, be safe.